What's up, guys? So here I've finished up the rock crawler build here, so I'll get finishing up the video editing, and I decided to pick up another ride. So we picked up the Team Losi Baja Rey, the 1/10 scale edition. So let's open this bad boy up and check it out. Alright, so here it is. It's a big old huge box. So if you get cropped out here a little bit, sorry about that, but trying to do what I can. So there we go, got a little picture of the full setup on the back here. It's got lights and it's the full ready to run kit. It's got to slap your own battery and have a charger and whatnot. So let's open this thing up. And we have it the wrong way. It's a big one. So to start off, package real nice, protect it real well. Got a little thing here to block everything. And everything's in there, so we got a couple random things sticking up you gotta adjust, I'm guessing. And it looks like we have a couple zip ties in there. Alright, so once you get these things unstrapped, you can pull that bad boy out. And there we go, look at that thing. Got that sweet suspension. Get rid of a couple of those zip ties. Nice aluminum chassis there. Sweet A-arms. This thing is going to be fun. And so the body's in 3 different pieces, technically 4. You can take out the front, paint it different colors, all different things that make different styles you can get. Just run a separate piece and stuff like that, so it's pretty sweet. The tires on this thing are pretty stinking huge. The paddles I got should hopefully fit inside that wheel well. If not, I might need to take the bed off, but we'll see. Also in the kit, so also in the box is the controller. It's pretty standard size. Spektrum. It's got a couple extra knobs on there. It does come with batteries for the controller, which is nice. So inside there got AA batteries, a couple of the random goodies. It's like extra pinion gear and other random gearing. So let me get that back a little further. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so stay tuned to see this bad boy rip. I'll get some cool little close-ups for you. And yeah, this thing should be a good little monster from what I'm told.